Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today is a Foundation Friday and we're trying a brand new foundation that I just found. It might be brand new, but TikTok made me buy it, so let's try it out. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright, so today we're talking about a drugstore foundation. This is the COVERGIRL Clean Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation. Right here. It is in light. That's the color I'm in. I bought it at Target and it was $9.99. Okay, so this is supposed to be a lightweight, nourishing liquid foundation. It gives your skin the moisture boost it craves. It's cruelty-free. It's formulated without parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. And it is infused with milky coconut and soothing aloe. So for those of you that have a coconut allergy, obviously this is not a good foundation for you, but if you have issues with coconut oil, this is different. So you're good to go to use this. It's not comedogenic. The ingredients are full of dimethicone, so if you are not a dimethicone lover or they have problems in your skin, this would not be for you. Basically, how it says to use it is that it says to use a face primer before applying it and just apply it. So for me, I don't apply this with a face primer. I just use a really nice hydrating skincare routine and a good moisturizer and SPF, and that's as far as we go. So if you would like to use a primer, go ahead and use it. I have worn this a couple of times and really noticed no difference in the way that the formula wore or looked when I wore a primer. This is one of those. For me, this foundation is best applied with my hands. So literally it pops on. Now, I have the next color up and I returned it because it was too dark. So I would recommend that if you are my similar undertone and skin tone, this is the color to go with, and then bronze it up a little bit with a bronzer to make it match perfectly. Because it is a good match, but if you can tell, like my chest is just a touch darker than my face, which I like to match my chest to my face so I don't look like a ghost. This is basically the foundation. It is a lightweight foundation, super easy to go on. I mean, it feels very lightweight. I know it says that this gives the moisture that your skin has been craving. I don't find that. I've worn this before with a less hydrating skincare routine. I'm honestly just putting a little bit more where I want more coverage. I have put this on with a less hydrating skin routine and it literally just kind of melted in with whatever I use. So I think this actually would be great for even oilier skin because it really mimics the skincare that you have on, which I think is fantastic. So it's not overly hydrating, it's just, I think it's like a skin finish and again mimics your skincare that you have on. So here we are, again it's a lightweight skin finish. I would call this a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. It's so lightweight and easy to use. Now I'm going to, before I go finish the rest of my makeup, I'm going to give you a little bit of a tip. If you are oily or combination or even normal, I'm normal to dry. I have powdered this with the Well People powder, with the Kosas powder, and I like it better with the Kosas powder, but it actually does get matte when you powder it. So FYI, you can absolutely powder this foundation. If you're more normal to dehydrated, you don't need to powder this. Pop a few cream products over this and call it a day. All right, so what I'm going to do is obviously put concealer on, and I am going to set this very gently with the Kosas Cloud powder. Okay, all right, I'll be right back. All right, so here everything is on. What I did is I just wanted to let you know is obviously I put my brows and my brows and bronzer and blush on, but I did set with a little bit of cloud powder like I said I would, but I only set in the T-zone of my face, so just a touch right here on the under eyes, just a touch right here, and just down the chin and down the nose and the chin. That's all I set. The rest of it is not set. I obviously used powder products here to set that. It does feel a touch tacky, but that will go away over time. It's because I have a hydrating skincare routine on, so it takes it time to kind of just settle down, not transfer on anything. But this is not long wearing, this is not transfer proof. This is just an easy, everyday, easy breezy, COVERGIRL type of foundation. I think it's gorgeous. It was so easy. I used the Juvia's Place concealer, which I absolutely love. I'm back into it. So let's go to natural light and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, all right. Here it is in natural light. Let you guys see it. It's pretty, right? It's just, again, it's one of those foundations that's supposed to be very, very easy. Throw it on and go. So this is what it looks like. You can see through my little bit of my imperfections, which is totally fine with me. But again, like I said, it's super easy. I think it's very flawless looking, and it just needed a little bit of powder in the center of the face, and I'm ready to rock and roll. So let's actually give this a good wear test. It is about 71 beautiful degrees here in Colorado today. Colorado cannot make up its mind in the weather. But anyway, we'll give it a couple of hours of wear and see how it goes. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we are actually at a total hour of wear of 4 hours. Sorry, my lips look crazy because I had a red lip on earlier and it stains your lips so bad, but it's so pretty. And like I ate and it got all over the place. Red lips are so messy. Anyway, I think it looks good. It's starting to kind of look a touch strange around the mouth area, but I think it's looking great for 4 hours. I think it's looking good for a tinted moisturizer. So let's give it a few more hours of wear and see where we're at. Okay, fantastic. Can you tell how long this like lip has lasted? This is crazy. If it will not come off. If you're looking for it, it's this one by Juvia's Place. This is a mini of it. It's called Red Velvet. Literally stays on forever. Anyway, I think it's a great throw on foundation. I think it wears very, very well. I think as it comes off, you would never really see it. I mean, I don't. I think it still has a really nice subtle glow to it. I think it's a beautiful foundation. And I think it wears very, very well. It's not a high coverage, but it definitely wears well, and I think it looks great on the skin. What do you think? Have you tried this? Are you going to try it? All right, let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.